Is your company ready for AI?
A check for scale, firstly, real pain points, and also that your leadership sort of sees AI as an investment and not a toy. So, what do we mean by scale and how should you look at it? Well, if we look at AI infrastructure, it's only really going to deliver a return on investment when there's enough data or sufficient workflows to actually automate. If your company's only processing sort of 10 tickets a month, well, I don't think you really need to look at infrastructure. The next point is real pain points are obviously they equate to real return on investment. So if you ask questions like, well, what is costing us things like time, costing us money, or affecting customer satisfaction? So if we look at an industry like healthcare, you think clinicians spend hours on admin charting, and something like that is perfect for AI automation. And also, how AI can solve bottlenecks. So they're not just providing insights, but actually automating flows and helping you just be more performant and more efficient. And then lastly, coming to that leadership mindset, and having the right one is critical. So companies that view AI as, well, great, this is a cool gadget. We can sort of build flashy prototypes, and well, those didn't work out. Well, we'll have to abandon them. That's something that you want to avoid, and rather have a leadership mindset, one that sees AI as an infrastructure investment. Again, coming back to the point that AI it's not a trend, it's not going anywhere. This is often what is going to be a replacement for a lot of human resources, unfortunately. And this is where how can you firstly utilize it to make your existing workforce more efficient. And if you can find that, then you're ready for AI, and you allocate the budget, talent, and obviously the strategic alignment to that.
Yeah, so the next question is, what is the difference between AI features and AI infrastructure?
And that's what we've been talking about previously. And I think it's good to think about that question. Like, am I looking at a feature, or is this an infrastructure investment? And we can think of descriptions are really things like features. So if you look at surface level, application of AI, things like generating, well, can you summarize my email? Can you give me a description of this house that I'm posting? Those things are features. They're really light. What you want to look at is the infrastructure of, what is a full automated workflow from maybe lead generation to, closing that sale. That's going to be your infrastructure. So your features and identifying features are, much more shallow, and they're easy to replicate. So like that AI generated property description, it's cheap, it's available in any of your kind of AI things like ChatGPT or Claude, Canva. You're not really going to have a competitive advantage there. It's just really thinly wrapping a prompt from any AI. On the other hand, you look at infrastructure, and it's much deeper and more integrated. So look at an AI that maybe ingests leads from multiple platforms, then could score them based on the prior conversation data, can suggest next actions, can automatically generate contracts, and then maybe sync with your CRM and even your accounting software, and then finally track outcomes and continually improve.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company Impact, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore, and how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.